Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, okay? So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for this reading. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels will bless this reading. My angel spirit guides, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Leo gang, please. This one. All right, thank you. Let's put this one here, Leo. And the card I have here for you, Leo, is regarding marriage. Sometimes this of course could be somebody new in your life, but sometimes this card also represents a partner you're cutting away from. Okay, so I don't know what this card means for you, Leo. Let's open your cards and see what this is all about. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your kind support, your likes, your shares, your comments especially, which keep me so motivated, and your likes always help circulate the videos. I'm very grateful for that. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, Leo, this is a small little mini love bite, just a 9-card spread to check your energies. Your longer readings have just been put up. I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You can check those out as well. Bottom of my deck, I have the Two of Cups. Marriage, Two of Cups. What's going on, Leo? Let's see. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. First card I have for you is the Star, Ace of Pentacles, the Lovers, Page of Cups, Knight of Wands, the Hanged Man, Three of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. Somebody is healing, I think. Somebody is healing here after something didn't happen. I think this was an active choice being made, which was made to end something or stop something, and now I think somebody wants to come out of the stuck place, maybe go out or, meet new people, because some commitment came to an end here. But I think, Leo, the worst is already over here, so don't worry about it. I think it's time now to head towards a new soulmate here. Let's see what's happening here. So Spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? If they could say something to each other, Leo and their person. Okay, that was strong. Let's take a couple more from here. Leo and their person, Spirit. Okay, thank you. So the first card I have here, Leo, says, my heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. Like I said, somebody is healing right now because maybe something has ended. There is no chance maybe of a new beginning here now. Somebody has made a decision regarding that, and one of you is saying that my heart still breaks because now we are apart. It pisses me off how your karmic has photos of you all over social media trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. So even though I think you guys are not together or planning not to be together or have separated right now, it's still very hurting to at least one partner, that that lingering jealousy, anger, upset at the fact that now maybe your partner seems to be with someone else here. Your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. So there were some decisions made, I think, to... Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? Next card. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. Shit, you're all I think about the past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I still want you now. So yes, you guys had a good past, you guys were together, but maybe not at the moment. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, the warmth of your body. I want and need you even now. So Leo, I don't know what's going on. What's the star card for Leo spirit? What's the star card? Yeah, somebody is healing after something didn't work out. Maybe you both have stopped investing in this relationship, or maybe one person never invested, and that's why things kind of started stalling here. One more spirit for the star card. Star card. Star card. I think one of you, Leo, this could be you. You're now healing, and now you are not investing so much in whatever was there in the past. I think you want to be happy. You are clear. You know your truth now. You want to move ahead. And the Ace of Pentacles is still in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Yeah, because you don't want to go back with any apologies, with any sorries. Now, please keep in mind that I could be picking up the energy of the cross watcher here, right? So one of you who is very, very clear that, yes, none of my wishes have come true here. I mean, what's the point of going back and giving a new offer or apologizing or anything like that, because in the past this person never invested to make any of my dreams come true. And now I'm clear about what I want, and I want to move forward. I want to feel happy, and I don't expect there to be any fresh new start, at least here. The Lover spirit. Yes, this battle was lost. Okay, somebody made a decision here that I don't want to have victory over this past person anymore, or this thing. I mean, whoever this person is in your life, you feel almost like humiliated by the fact that this relationship probably didn't work out, right? There is no new beginning. I have the Page of Cups twice here, and both times in reverse. See? Page of Cups in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse. So somebody is feeling there is no passion here left anymore. There's no will to start anything more. I'd rather just kind of end this fight once and for all and move on to my own happiness now. Yes, and let karma do what they have to. Maybe this was just a stroke of bad luck or a karmic partner, and I'm going to just leave it to the universe now to kind of do the balance sheet here. I'm not interested. I would rather, instead of going backwards and apologizing or trying to make up, I would rather move forward and be happy in my own life. All I've found, my ears are suddenly shut for some reason. This is a heavy reading. Okay, so the only way I've ended up feeling is embarrassed, humiliated, and feel like a public fool here about whatever decisions have been made here. Knight of Wands spirit. Yeah, somebody doesn't want to take action anymore. They've made that decision. Yes, justice is in reverse. It's not a balanced relationship. It's not a just relationship. All I want now is to come out of this stuck position that this relationship probably has put me in. Knight of Wands spirit. Knight of Wands. Somebody feels that they've been dealing with a very immature energy, and they feel it won't be the right thing to do now, to go back or return back, because they've lost their will and their passion and their There is somebody who's now looking at other options, I think. They want to end this fight once and for all. I don't want to fight for this anymore. I would rather get out and come out of this stuck place and maybe go through my options and see if there is something new for me now. Leo, this one more, Spirit. Yes, Leo, if this is your reading, you've become a magician now. You found your self-worth. You've realized that this past energy was not working for you. You have been through all that and you're not interested in looking back anymore. You are now the magician. You are trying to manifest maybe a new soulmate here. Yes, you're trying to manifest a new soulmate. You are trying to see what else is out there. You don't want to be stuck in a place which is going to keep you hanging by a tree forever, right? And feeling miserable. You want to be happy. You want to meet new people maybe. And Three of Cups, Spirit. Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Yeah, you have the passion, the drive. You want to look forward to new beginnings. You want to go out there and meet fun new people who you can interact with. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles. Now, everything is out in the open now, Leo. Whatever you've been through now, you are realizing that now there are no more secrets in this. There's no more even thinking of going back and forth, or should I have, would I have, why did this person do something? Now everything is out in the open, and the cup of love has pretty much drained out here. There is no love for this past thing which has now died down, the Ten of Pentacles. This could have been a marriage. This could have been a long-term partnership. This could have been, like a marriage or an engagement or something. You guys have been together maybe for a long time, but this is in reverse right now. And Leo, you're probably feeling that this entire thing kind of backfired on you. It didn't make you feel victorious. It didn't give you the victory that you thought it would give you for long term, and that didn't feel very good to you. You were probably in depression and sadness for a long time and not wanting to shut the chapter. I think you did try and put some work into it. You did try and not shut this chapter, but it just didn't give you that happiness. This relationship made you feel very ungrounded. It never made you feel the stability that you required. And somehow you always felt that you were going backwards, right? So Spirit, why is this... why is this reading here? What is Leo supposed to know now? Okay, one is validation, that okay, if it's over, it's a good thing and you can move ahead now and, pick up that wand and go out and kind of get yourself unstuck. But anything else, Spirit, for Leo? Too many. What does Leo need to know now? This is why this reading is here, Leo. What Spirit is saying, if any of you Leos out there are still kind of thinking about your past or wanting to go back to your past, because now what happens, Leo, that when you're with somebody, you can see their flaws, right? And after a little while also you're always angry, so you remember all the bad things. But when a little time goes by, you start thinking of the sweet memories. You start thinking, oh my God, but maybe that person wasn't that bad. So Spirit is saying, remember, the Ten of Cups was in reverse. It never really gave you that emotional happiness, did it? Okay, so don't make any unwise decisions of probably maybe going back. I think you were supposed to look out there and see what else is out there for you in the future. Okay, so Spirit, they should not be foolish. So what should they do? Yes, Spirit is warning you, if you make that mistake, Leo, it's going to end up in another fight. The Queen of Swords in reverse and the Knight of Swords in reverse. So this is probably a warning for Leo here. try and avoid this if possible, because from afar, yes, the feeling may be there, but please remember what you've come out from, and would you want to revisit that? Okay, so it's maybe time. That's why I was saying the marriage card sometimes also means severing ties of something that doesn't work anymore. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Take care, love and light. Namaste, Leo. Sorry it wasn't a very happy message, but I hope it helped somebody who benefited. Okay, thanks.